Yay! So this is the afternoon in Venice Beach. One day, remember this vlog, I'm gonna have one of those condos, you know, just for me. I'm just like,
just for you?
For the whole family
just
and for babe.
No, I'm not gonna be with you.
It's so beautiful. It's like not even funny how cute it is. But we parked the car in this place where we're not sure if we're supposed to park it. We parked it like in a residential area, but it said public parking this way, and so, you know, we were like, oh fuck it, let's park it. And so we did. And now we hope that it's still there. If not,
cross our fingers, make sure the car's there.
we're gonna have to call the fucking Los Angeles towing.
There's some of all the stores.
But yeah.
You have change.
And this whole part of this vlog, we changed it to this new camera because it's much lighter than the other one. The other one is really heavy.
Because you meant as a pussy.
Yeah, I guess
I like carrying a bigger camera. I don't know why.
But I think the bigger camera is good for pictures, but this one's like really good for.
This one's better for both.
For vlogging.
This one's better for both. In video quality, this one has 2 times better than that one. Accessibility, that one has better. This one has better quality. Like it's better on.
There you go. So this one's better. Hey, stop haciendo sand everywhere. We made it back in our cars here.
No.
We made it. We paid $0. That's how you do it out here in LA. You don't just fall for like the first thing that they says $20 on parking. Fuck that. So, I'm so tan. Oh my gosh. It doesn't even hurt either, so it's not good. I'm gonna tell you guys how nice it's outside. 69. Perfect.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Right now we're on our way back to our house. Let me take out the GPS real quick. Hey, do you have a seatbelt on?
I'm going to.
Because here without a GPS, I don't know if we'll do it. There's like a trillion freeways you can get on. We're starving too, but I think que mi mamá hizo barbacoa en la casa. So we'll just eat that. We are. It's 52 minutes back because of traffic. On the way here it was 37 minutes, and on the way back it's 52. My nose is itchy. Damn, that's insane! It's almost an hour back. Catch you guys in a bit.
I didn't even stay. I did that verse and left, and then it just that happened. Okay, look at it. Instant heat, man. Straight in, you hear me?
What is this? That's what I'm saying. You see that? Oh shit. Yeah, look at this though.
Mel, let's bring it in. This is Power 6 where hip hop lives.
What? This? Take it off.
Seatbelt? I've never seen it. For the back? Oh, me neither. So we're walking to the park because I have a whole bunch of nerds with me who love Pokemon Go, and so they want to hatch some eggs or some shit. I don't know, but here we are. It's 10 o'clock.
We'll go to that corner over there.
There's like 4 Pokestops. There's what?
My game's going to crash if the crash comes to crash.
There's 4 Pokestops? Who knows what that is, but... I don't know.
Go like...
How do I get incense or something?
yellow. So just, we'll go around like that in a circle. There's a mob.
You guys are nerds.
Everyone's playing Pokemon Go. Probably Omaha is like this.
Every idiot in Omaha is probably on it since the only thing to do there.
They came out with this app for a reason, and people are doing it. Yeah, I'm about to go forward.
I've never seen so much people in one place just for a
I
game.
honestly think this game is really addicting.
How do you?
Es el diablo.
Es el diablo, dicen los Mexicans.
My mom. Hello. My mom said que es el diablo and that eventually it's gonna send us to the cementerio and it's gonna eat us and we're all gonna
Pokemon
die.
Live.
So we want you can like start
Pokemon Live.
walking around in a circle and then catch every get that one and then get everything that's around. It's like in a circle, so it's really cool. What is that? Mine loaded, so.
Gotcha. I haven't downloaded the game yet. I don't think I will.
Chancery. Okay, let's keep more Pokemon.
Finally.
I found another Cobra.
I mean,
It can. I'm a great fan.
and people, hey, guys, and people put, the reason why these are pink, the Pokestops are pink is because people put something called a lure module, and it pretty much attracts Pokemon in this area, so when you're nearby the blue things, it'll give you Pokemon stuff.
What I'm doing is I'm being another Ash.
What the fuck, nigga jumps? Look.
Only true people would know what that means. Ash is the main character in Pokemon.
Look.
See, if you were really true from the 90s, you would know.
I got the bitch.
But you're halfway there, you know.
I was born in 1995 with your information.
Halfway there. That's halfway.
It's not my fault you're old. Don't blame me for that.
Pokemon Go, if someone gets robbed, there's gonna be a bunch of people here to defend that one.
Bro.
Dude, my phone's on 2%. My fucking phone died.
And then what else? And then you ran into a pole. You ran into a pole. Your phone died.
Yeah, I know. It's
Now
fucking nerds having fun and I'm not playing Pokemon.
Oh, here comes the other nerd. The other nerd is here.
Yeah, well, dude.
We're about to eat somebody's skulls or something.
That one.
We're on our way to Lupe Fiasco right now. It's about an hour away from where we're at. We had a little complication. Oh, shit. And we almost died. We didn't even have time to get ready. As you can see, I have a bun. What kind of shit is this? But it's okay. It's hard out here without a car. Anyway, see you in a bit. So we just got in a car accident.
We didn't get in a car.
Well, they hit us really bad. And there's one of the cars and one's getting towed. Are you okay?
I'm fine. It's more of like you're trembling.
Because my back hurts.
So like I said, they have all these Pokemon people over here. And oh my god, how beautiful outside is. Look at outside. So gorgeous. Just almost soon, almost we'll be living here in Omaha. But this place is gorgeous. Gorgeous. But I guess there's a park really close. We gotta just walk around this corner. Let me show you the front of it. It said go this way, and I guess the park is that way. Let's see who we can. think I'm lost. Because I can't find this park. It's somewhere around here. Estoy ahorcando la verga. She said go this way and the park will be somewhere over here. And I don't see the park. Is it crossing the street? I don't know. I don't see it anywhere. I wouldn't mind getting lost in California. I'd be totally up for it. Totally up for it. I see an open road, but let's check it out.